Alright, so this is the video detailing the process I used to render the table, and this is the same process I used for every other model, but this will just go in depth on the process. So the first thing I did was I made a new camera 1, and then I slid this slider over to the first frame, and I clicked on this right here, and then I did key selected on the first frame. I made it so that the table would rotate 360 degrees, took it over to the 48 frame, and then I did key selected again so it would make this animation. Okay, and then after that I just kind of cleaned it up a little bit. Then I went into the kind of rendering options, I guess, and just made it so for the background I made it so I only did it for one frame, and then I set the correct settings that I needed. Hid the table from view and made it so it's just the background, and then I rendered it, made it to where it went to the correct file, and so it looked different now because I've done it all, but yeah, so I did that, and then I hid the background and made the table visible, so then I could kind of make it, let me pull up the file, make it so that I could render the data for so for the beauty, diffuse, and specular, oh, and the Z categories, I guess. So I did that, and then I just went to the color table thing, made it to where it did the ambient occlusion color, rendered that, did the same thing for shadow, and then a flat to give it the alpha and shadow look. And then I just named them what I needed to, and so yeah, that's kind of the process that I took for each one. So yeah, and here's what the files look like. That just goes for all these files, they're just for different ones. So yeah, and then just to show that I did all of them, we have this one. Hold up. Yeah, so just show I did all of them. There's that. There is this one. There's this one right here. There's this one. Hold on just a second. There's the Starship, wherever it is. And then I think the only one left was the Propel bottle. Yeah, so then there was the bottle. So that's kind of what I did for each one. So yeah.